Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make clear slime. So the materials you'll need are clear glue, either clear laundry detergent or what's it called? Contact solution. Okay. So, and you'll need a bowl and a mixing spoon. Sorry, I need a knife. So, this no shaving cream unless it's clear, but I don't think that's the thing. So, there's no shaving cream in this. So, pour your clear glue to a bowl. I'm not pouring the rest in because I want to save some. I saved a bit, like the next time I use this, I'm going to use all of it. So, then, no color too. Put your activator in. Remember, a little bit at a time. Then, once it starts to clump together, that's how you know it's ready and you can play with it with your hands. Like, look, it's really funny. I had one mix. It's already clumping. But last time it was like this. I tried to mix it with it and it was still liquid. I don't know how, but it was. I'm not using all of the Tide because that would just be a waste. There's a lot in here and I don't need that much. So I'm going to try and lift it up, put it onto the thing. Guys, so my camera's like blinking, it's about to die. So I can't really wait 2 days, but I can't really wait 2 days. But you have to wait 2 days, like leave it open for 2 days, or maybe just one night, and it will become clear because it's usually always cloudy and everything. So there it is. Then just start playing with it with your hands. And then you'll see it will, like, the liquid will all go away. But there, I put too much. Ew. Ew. Put too much. But squeeze it. Squeezy, squeezy, squeezy. Ha, 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 ha. Squeezy, squeezy, squeezy. And you don't want to put too much activator in because then it will become hard. And it's coming together. Well, I'm not really, sorry, a message, okay? I'm not really sure. I'm not sure that you have to, I've never made, like, I know how to make clear slime, but I'm not sure. I don't think you have to leave it open, like, I think you just can't play with it for maybe that long. I don't know, because it's, like, all cloudy, but it will turn clear, and then it will stay clear, so, yeah. But, okay, so, hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah. Bye. Oh wait, no. Go follow me on Musically on Backhand Spring Wow, and go find me on Snapchat. I'm Lily9225. So yeah.